Hello guys, my name is Siddartha Varma, and in this video I would like to discuss about the sample questions in the sample coding questions in the INFOSYS, INFYTQ final round. So this is available in the INFYTQ app. So okay, let's start the section. Okay, yeah, start. Okay, my internet speed is low. Yeah, and these are the instructions to be followed in the exam, and it is a proctored exam which contains a plagiarism. So when you are writing the code, so please be careful when the plagiarism. And that's the start exam. Continue. Okay, it consists of two sections, hands-on and objective. Hands-on means two programming questions and objective means Python programming MCQs or any other MCQs. And in this video I would like to discuss only about the programming questions. So let's attempt the section. So it consists of two questions, 4 in a line and identify a palindrome. So let's start the question. After the completion of two questions, I would like to discuss about the concept behind them. Okay, matrix, and if only one set of constants infinite. Okay, stop. Okay, let's increase the size of the editor. Okay, okay, matrix input has been taken. Then identify possible sets in the contain at least 4 consecutive 8 elements of the same value, either horizontally, vertically and diagonally. Okay, here diagonally means both forward and backward. We should check on both forward and backward also. Okay, then forward diagonal for underscore in range of len of L plus len of L of 0 minus 1. Same with backward diagonal also. Okay, then vertical and for horizontal of L. So I already mentioned about plagiarism. So to rectify this problem, there are many ways to solve it. So I write my code with methods. So in these for diagonals we should take, okay, min underscore backward diagonal is equals to minus 1 of L plus 1. Okay, for I in range of len of L of 0, for j in range of len of L. Okay, backward diagonal of mean like 317653 means I. Okay, I minus j minus min underscore b diag dot append of L of J I. Okay, and for forward diag of I plus J dot append of L of J I, the horizontal of J dot append of J I. Okay, and vertical of I APPE and of J I. Okay, so okay, this method will convert the given matrix and divide the given matrix in both for backward diagonal, forward diagonal, horizontal and vertical. So just simply call that, which takes a parameter of list. Okay, then okay, if only one set of consecutive elements identified, store the value in outnum. If more than set of consecutive elements is identified, find the smallest value and store it in outnum. Okay, let us take outnum empty list. Okay, now I'll write another method. So I use this method for all the conditions. Def check of L for okay, for I in L if len of I greater than or equal to 4, then that means for J in I no for J in back. Okay, J in range of 3 comma len of I. Sorry. Okay, here if I of J double equal to I of J minus 1 double equal to I of J minus 2 double equal to I of J minus 3, means outnum dot append I of J. Okay, okay, now I will simply call the method check forward diag beta ya horizontal vertical. Okay, if outnum double equal to empty list print of -1 else print of min of outnum. Sorry. Okay, let's run the program. Yeah, okay, test case pass, final submit the code. Yeah, okay, all the test cases are passed. Okay, second question, identify palindrome. Let's see the question. Given partial number, identify the palindrome. Following operation, add number, reverse it. Okay, okay. So there are many ways to solve this program, so I choose the best way, that means a recursive way, because of due to optimization. Value equal to int of n equal to input print of ln of int of n plus int of n of -1. Okay, let's run. Yeah, okay. Two test cases pass and finally submit the code. Okay. Yeah, okay. So two codes are fully submitted. Okay. So let's discuss the code. In this question, a positive number will be given as input, and we have to check whether the given number can form a palindrome or not. So in that process we have to check for that how but okay, that means he a positive number will be given and a reverse number will be we have to take from the reverse number, and summation of both two numbers will check by either palindrome or not. Okay, so I wrote in this code, I wrote a palind method which takes a parameter of an integer variable. In that I checked whether if the reverse number and the given number both are same, then simply I return the number, or else I repeat the process. Okay, then the first question, an ambient matrix will be given as input. So our job is to check for the minimum value which is found by the horizontally, vertically and diagonally taking elements from the matrix. Okay, these are the main conditions for the backward diagonal, forward diagonal, horizontal and vertical elements in the given matrix. Okay, thank you. As I clearly mentioned that in this video I would discuss only about the coding questions. So, and another section is about MCQs. It's all upon all your knowledge to what you preserve in these years. So thank you. Okay, finish test. Thank you.